Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract love effortlessly, while others struggle to find their perfect match? The secret, my friends, lies within you. Today I'm going to reveal the adored wisdom that has the power to transform your relationship life forever. Yes, I'm talking about the law of attraction and its incredible ability to manifest your ideal romantic partner. Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, welcome to our channel, where we share the latest in law of attraction and manifestation knowledge. Now, if you've ever dreamed of having a loving, fulfilling relationship, but feel like you're stuck in a cycle of disappointment and frustration, then this video is for you. We dive deep into the teachings of Neville Goddard and other manifestation masters to unlock the true potential of the law of attraction when it comes to finding your perfect match. Imagine a world where you believe that you deserve the best love has to offer. A world where you know that your perfect partner is just around the corner, eager to sweep you off your feet. It might sound like a fantasy, but I'm here to tell you that it's your birthright. The universe wants you to be happy, and that includes finding the person who makes your heart skip a beat. But how do we tap into this cosmic power? How do we harness the law of attraction to manifest our dream partner? Don't worry, my loves. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps you need to take to turn your relationship dreams into reality. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a journey that will change your life forever. Now, before we delve into the depths of this transformative topic, let me ask you a simple yet profound question. What does your ideal romantic partner look like? Is it someone who makes you laugh, challenges you to grow, or simply makes you feel loved and cherished? Take a moment to visualize your perfect match, to see clearly the qualities, traits, and characteristics that define your dream relationship. The clearer you can see it, the easier it will be to manifest into your life. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states like attracts like. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions shape your reality. Everything in your life is a reflection of your dominant energy. When you think positive thoughts, you attract positive experiences. And when you focus on negative thoughts, you attract negative outcomes. This applies to every aspect of your life, including your love life. Think about it. If you constantly feel unworthy of love or believe that relationships are doomed to fail, you'll naturally attract partners who reinforce those beliefs. On the other hand, if you have a positive mindset and believe in the power of love to conquer all, you'll attract partners who align with those beliefs. You've probably heard the saying, you can't give what you don't have. The same holds true for love. If you don't feel worthy of being loved, you won't believe that someone could love you. And if you don't believe it, you won't attract it. So the first step to manifesting your ideal partner, to release any limiting beliefs that may be blocking the flow of love into your life. This means letting go of negative self-talk, past hurts, and any doubts you may have about your ability to attract and maintain a healthy, loving relationship. As the great Louise Hay once said, there is no such thing as failure. To keep trying. Love is the answer. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's move on to the next crucial step in manifesting your ideal partner, setting clear intentions. It's like setting a GPS for your love life. If you want to manifest something, you need to know exactly what you're aiming for. This is why it is so important to take the time to get clear on what you want in a partner. Ask yourself, what qualities do you value most? What kind of person do you want to spend the rest of your life with? Do you want someone who's adventurous, loyal, kind, or a great listener? Once you have a clear understanding of the traits you're looking for, write them down or create a vision board to serve as a constant reminder of your goals. This is what we call the law of assumption in the metaphysical community, which means that you assume and feel as if your desire is already a reality. By doing so, you send out a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive your perfect partner. Remember, the universe doesn't know the difference between past, present, or future. It only knows energy. So by raising your vibrational frequency, you can open yourself up to the infinite possibilities that exist for your love life. Now, I know you might be thinking, great, I've got my intentions set. Now how do I actually manifest them? Well, my friend, the secret lies in raising your vibrational frequency. This is where the real magic happens. It is time to embrace positive emotions and cultivate a state of being that aligns with the love you desire. And here's the first way to do just that. Embrace positive emotions. Gratitude, joy, love, peace, and acceptance. These are the emotions that will help you raise your frequency and attract your dream partner. Start by practicing daily gratitude exercises. Each morning and evening, take a few moments to reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as having a roof over your head, food to eat, or friends to lean on. As you express gratitude for these blessings, your energy begins to shift towards positivity. Next, immerse yourself in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's painting, dancing, hiking, or spending time with loved ones, engage in activities that light up your soul and make you feel alive. Finally, cultivate an attitude of love and acceptance towards yourself and others. This is key to creating a positive energy flow. Remember, love is the highest vibration of all. So by embracing love in your thoughts and actions, you'll be raising your frequency to the highest level possible. Another powerful way to raise your frequency is to surround yourself with positivity. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, choose your circle wisely. Spend time with people who uplift you, support your dreams, and radiate positivity. Create a loving and harmonious environment in your own home by displaying positive affirmations, burning scented candles, and playing uplifting music. Remember, your home is an extension of your energy, so keep it filled with positive vibes. Raising your frequency also involves engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. So, don't be afraid to let loose and have fun. Whether it's dancing, singing, painting, or playing games, engage in activities that make you feel happy and light. Laughter is the best medicine, so don't forget to make time for fun and play. You see, when you embrace these practices, you become a magnet for positive experiences, including finding your perfect partner. Your energy starts to align with the frequency of love, and that's when the magic begins to happen. It's time to take action. Remember, the law of attraction is not just about wishful thinking. It's about taking inspired action towards your goals. While raising your frequency is essential, it's equally important to take practical steps to manifest your ideal partner. Start by sending out positive energy into the world. Visualize yourself in a happy, loving relationship with your perfect partner. See the joy and contentment on your faces as you both share a deep connection. Feel the warmth and security of their embrace. When you create this vivid mental image, you're aligning your thoughts and emotions with the desire for love. Next, say affirmations like, I am attracting my perfect partner effortlessly. My ideal partner is coming to me exactly when I need them. By repeating these affirmations daily, you reinforce your belief in the power of love to bring your desires to fruition. Now, I know it's important to stay focused on your intentions, but also be open to opportunities that come your way. Don't limit yourself to one particular outcome. Trust that the universe will bring the right person into your life at the perfect time. This might mean trying new experiences like joining a dance class, taking up a new hobby, or attending social events where you can meet new people. It could also involve using dating apps or asking friends to set you up on blind dates. The possibilities are endless. However, remember to approach each interaction with a positive mindset. Whether you meet someone through a mutual friend or swipe right on a dating app, treat every encounter as an opportunity to connect with your perfect partner. Who knows? The person you've been waiting for could be just around the corner. Finally, trust the process. Manifestation takes time, so be patient and let things unfold naturally. Don't force outcomes or try to manipulate situations. Instead, have faith that the universe is working in your favor. Trust that your perfect partner is on their way and that everything will fall into place in divine timing. As you embrace these steps, you'll begin to feel a shift in your energy. You'll find yourself becoming more positive, optimistic, and hopeful about your love life. Remember, the law of attraction is a co-creative process between you and the universe. By taking action, staying open to possibilities, and trusting the journey, you'll pave the way for your ideal partner to enter your life. And there you have it, the art of manifesting your ideal partner using the law of attraction. Remember, release limiting beliefs, set clear intentions, raise your vibration, take inspired action, and trust the process. As you embrace these steps, you'll become a beacon of love, attracting your perfect match effortlessly. So, my loves, it's time to put these teachings into practice. Start today and watch as your love life transforms before your very eyes. Are you ready to manifest your dream relationship? If so, hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Together, we can create the love we desire and live lives filled with passion, connection, and joy.